Boeing is the world's largest aerospace company and leading manufacturer of commercial jetliners and defence space and security systems. Melbourne hosts its largest manufacturing facility outside North America, and Boeing Aerostructures Australia is renowned for its commitment to research and development and for producing the wing flaps for the most advanced commercial aircraft in the world, the 787 Dreamliner. The company employs 1,100 direct workers, including engineers, scientists, direct operators and support staff, and exports over $400 million of products per annum.